Hi, this is Pranay, and I'm at Delhi International Airport. And today we have with us Sanjita Shreya. She is from Bangalore, a Bangalore resident actually. And today she is going for Kharkiv Zooveterinary. So apart from the MBBS guy, she's different and she's chosen veterinary as her career option. So we'll just hear it from her, Sanjita, that why she has chosen veterinary. And let's hear it from her.
Hi, I'm Sanjita. So yeah, basically veterinary because I love helping animals in trouble. So as animals cannot talk, they cannot express their pain. So in that way, yeah, I would love to help them when they're in trouble. Yeah, that's it.
So Ukraine is what you've chosen for Kharkiv Zoo Veterinary.
Yeah,
You know that I believe that there are hundreds of acres for exploring, okay, the animals and all. And how was the services?
It was really good. Honestly, yeah, it was really good.
Okay, I mean timely things. Did you receive it? Everything, all the support was given or not?
Yeah, it was all perfect. That's all I can say.
I wish her best of luck and she becomes a very successful
Thank
doctor.
you.
Thank you.